Hi, I'm Hyeongjin from Seoul National University Computer Vision Lab. I'd like to introduce our paper, DeClotH, Decomposable 3D Clothes and Human Body Reconstruction from a Single Image, which is published at CBPR 2025. Our main goal is to reconstruct both 3D clothes and human body from a single image. This task is very important for enabling 3D virtual try-on and 3D asset generation for game or animation industries. For the reconstruction, we can consider two main approaches, template-based regression and 3D mesh-based optimization. The template-based regression approach estimates template shapes, which is predefined by the 3D template models. These template models provide smooth geometry, but they are robust to occlusion since the network predicts shapes within a constrained latent space. So it enjoys plausible 3D shapes. On the other hand, the optimization-based approach directly adjusts the 3D mesh to match image evidence such as silhouette. But the image evidence is sometimes imperfect by occlusion, leading to wrong reconstruction. So how can we address this trade-off? Our solution is simple. We combine both approaches into a single unified pipeline. We call this the template-based optimization pipeline. Our framework, DeClotH, performs template-based optimization to optimize both 3D clothes and human body based on the 3D templates. We begin with 3D templates obtained from ClothNet and BodyNet, which are a regression network that predicts 3D templates from a single image. These templates serve as a strong prior of 3D geometry and make robust on in-the-wild scenarios. Based on the pipeline, our template-based optimization is driven by three main losses. Let me explain the details of these loss functions. First, the reconstruction loss minimizes the discrepancy between the front view rendered normal map silhouette RGB colors and their ground truth counterparts. Second, the template regularization loss constrains the optimized 3D meshes to be close to the 3D template shapes. It is one of the core loss functions that prevents wrong reconstruction by occlusion. Third, the template-based SDS loss infers the invisible regions by using prior knowledge of diffusion model. A key distinction of our framework is that we design the diffusion models to take 3D templates as key signal for the inference. Such design ensures that the generated images match the silhouette of the template. So this SDS loss helps infer geometry and texture that correspond to authentic appearances. With the proposed design, our framework accurately reconstructs both 3D clothes and human body on in-the-wild images. Additionally, the reconstructed 3D clothes can be transferred into other human body, enabling 3D virtual try-on. And our reconstructions are animatable, so we can synthesize other human motion sequences. Here are some ovulation studies. The left experiment shows the effectiveness of the template-based regularization loss, and the right experiment shows the superiorities of the template-based SDS loss. We additionally provide the comparison result between cross diffusion and other diffusion models in cross image generation. As you can see, cross diffusion is powerful in the generation corresponding to the structure of 3D template. Our DeClotH largely outperforms existing template-based regression methods on 4D dress dataset. Additionally, compared to 3D mesh optimization method, our proposed DeClotH achieves more accurate reconstruction results, especially under occlusions and challenging human poses. Thank you for watching video. You can see more details of our paper through this QR code.